Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Kolier Supertrend Indicator. Okay, so let's quickly add the indicator to the chart. Let's look for that. Here we go, drag and drop. Ensure that the allow DLL imports box is checked. As for the input settings, you can actually modify these according to your taste. Alright, the ATR multiplier, ATR period, and so on. Okay, so this is how the indicator looks like. When we are in a bullish trend, you will notice the indicator line turn green and you will see price bouncing off the indicator as it serves as a dynamic support. All right, so in a bullish trend, the line will be green, trending upwards with price moving above it. In a bearish trend, the line is going to change color to red, trending downward with price moving below it, all right, and bouncing off it as a dynamic resistance. Okay, so all you have to do is first of all identify the prevailing trend. So if the trend is bearish, as in this case, you wait for price to bounce off the indicator line, you can get a confirmation, and then you execute your sell trade. All right, here again you can see how price got rejected around the resistance. Should have been a good place to sell again, and then you exit around the support zone. That is for a sell trade, right? Then for a buy trade, if you have price bounce off the dynamic support, you can enter your trade, and then you can exit around a resistance zone. Okay, so make sure you always get confirmations, whether from other indicators or from price action, but make sure you get your confluence, get your confirmations before executing a trade. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.